Here's a 2005 Chevrolet SSR. Silver in color, obviously, and very nicely loaded. This one does have the polished wheels, heated seats. The bed of it is finished with the cloth and the teak wood. Has running boards, as you can see. Nice little convertible truck that General Motors came out with as kind of a throwback to the 50s trucks. The 05s, as you may know, did come with the 6.0 liter, so it does have the bigger V8. The earlier models obviously came with the 5.3, a little smaller V8 in there. 6.0 is the one that's desirable, and yes, this truck does have that automatic shifter in the floor. Leather seats, like I said, they're heated. The truck has a little over 83,000 on it. It is a two-owner vehicle. Started life in Florida, where it spent the majority of its time before coming to Iowa. And the gentleman that owned it in Iowa brought it to us. So, two-owner truck, no accidents indicated. Be a nice little driver, fun summer cruiser. Slip around here, start it up so you can hear it. Also check out the miles. Like I said, a little over 83,000, I believe. All the bells and whistles of a new sports car or new truck, with kind of that throwback look to the old. Pop up here a second. 83,430. So you see there's no indicator lights on, just the seatbelt light. Just gonna click that on. Stereo did have an XM. Looks like an XM roadie style radio added. Power buttons. We'll look at the leather and the seating in nice shape. I'll pop the back too and show you, because not all of them were finished off like this with the teak wood and the carpeting, so it does have that package also. So this would have been a very nicely equipped SSR in 2005. When you go to close these, in case you're wondering, you put that top back down, and then this comes up, closes behind that. There you can hear the rumble. Nothing crazy, just a little sports car sound out of it. You can check out the still pictures if you'd like to see the undersides, engine bay, or still pictures of that cargo area. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you'd like to call and inquire about this vehicle, feel free to give us a call. Number would be 507-386-1726. 2005 Chevrolet SSR. Very nice truck.